everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google two-factor authentication on your ByBit account. So the first thing that I'm going to do is install ByBit because I don't have it yet. If you do so, just go ahead and log in the app or launch the app. While for me, I'm just going to get the app from here, from the App Store, or could be from the Google Play Store. And we're just going to wait for the installation process to be done. Now once done, I'm going to go ahead and open the app and click on Allow, to give access and permissions. I'm going to tap on sign up since I don't have the account yet, and I'm just going to put my email and set up a password, get my verification code from Gmail, and then paste it here. Now that my account is already email verified, I can already enter my account. Before you can make any transaction like withdrawal or withdraw, you really have to set up the Google two-factor authentication first. Now, I'm going to do is tap on the Set Up Now button. And then it'll send a code to my Gmail again. We're going to get that code and paste it to ByBit. Once entered, just click on Confirm. And then it'll have my Google Authenticator app. Should download it as said. And then this key, I should copy it. So I'm going to copy this key because that's what we're going to use for later. Now we're going to go to Google Authenticator and then go ahead and enter a setup key. I'm just going to put my account name and the key that I've copied from ByBit. And then this code 984484 is the code that I'll paste on ByBit. Just going to go ahead to ByBit and then click Next and paste that code here. And there, my account is already two-factor or Google two-factor authenticated. And now I can process any withdrawal or receiving. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.